Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Surfshark VPN account step by step so you can set up your VPN easily, protect your browsing, and access content securely. I've added a link in the description below where you can try Surfshark at a great price, so feel free to use that as you follow along. First, open your browser and go to the Surfshark website using the link in the description. Once you're on the home page, click the Get Surfshark button. This will take you to the Plans page, where Surfshark usually shows three main options: the monthly plan, the yearly plan, and the 2-year plan, which typically gives you the biggest savings. Choose whichever plan fits your budget and needs. After selecting your plan, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Use an email you have access to, because Surfshark will send your confirmation, login details, and account setup instructions there. Once you enter your email, you'll move on to the payment section. Surfshark supports multiple payment methods, including credit and debit cards, PayPal, Google Pay, and even cryptocurrency, if you want more privacy. Fill in your payment details and complete the checkout. As soon as your payment goes through, your Surfshark account will be created automatically. You'll receive an email from Surfshark confirming everything. Go back to the Surfshark website and open the Download section. Here, you can download the Surfshark app for any device you want: Windows, Mac, iPhone, Android, Linux, Fire TV, or even a browser extension. Choose your device, download the app, and install it. After installation, open the Surfshark app and log in using the email and password you just set. Once you're inside the app, you'll see the main interface with a simple Connect button. If you want to connect instantly, just tap the button and Surfshark will automatically connect you to the fastest and most stable server available. If you want more control, you can also open the server list and choose any country or location you want. Surfshark has a large range of servers worldwide, so you can easily find a location that works best for streaming, browsing, or staying secure online. Once you're connected, your IP address will switch to the new location, and your entire connection will become encrypted. This keeps your data private, protects you from trackers, and lets you access content more securely. And that's it. You now have a Surfshark VPN account, fully created, activated, and ready to use. If you want to get started, the link to try Surfshark at a great price is in the description.